In today's video, I'll show you how to use Board View in Asana. Board View turns your project into a visual, Kanban-style layout, where tasks become cards you can move across columns as work progresses. It's perfect for seeing the flow of your project at a glance. Let's jump in. Starting from the sidebar on the left, I'll open my project by clicking on my test project. By default, Asana opens projects in list view. To switch, look at the row of tabs just below the project name. Right next to list, you'll see board. I'll click on board now. And instantly, the whole project transforms. Instead of rows, your tasks are now cards, arranged into columns that run across the screen. Each column is one of your sections: to do, doing, done, and so on. And the number beside each column name tells you how many tasks are sitting in it. Take a look at these cards. Each one shows you the key details at a glance: the task name, its priority and status labels, who it's assigned to, and its due date. You get the full picture without opening anything. Now here's what makes Board View so powerful. As work moves forward, you simply drag a card from one column to the next. Grab a task from To Do, drop it into Doing when you start it, then slide it over to Done when you finish. Your whole team sees the progress update in real time. And adding work is just as easy. Notice the Add Task button at the top of each column. Click it, and a new card drops straight into that stage. One last thing. Board View and List View are just two ways of looking at the exact same project. Nothing is duplicated. Switch between the tabs anytime, and pick whichever style fits how you like to work. So to recap, open your project and click the Board tab to switch layouts, then drag cards between columns to move your work forward. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.